Today we are going to time travel 100 years in future, and we will find out what would Earth be like after 100 years. Well, there are so many things that could happen over 100 years. The population of the planet could continue to grow, diseases would be eradicated, the human impacts of climate change could worsen, but no one can see the future, except for us, of course. So let's start the time travel. By the year 2025, you'd see how India would become the most populated country in the world. India has a population of over 1.44 billion people, and the numbers are still growing. Due to global warming, the Arctic would become ice-free for several months of the year. Between July and November, polar bears would struggle to live on the disappearing ice. By the year 2035, the battle against malaria would be close to victory. In 2017, there were around 216 million cases of the disease, but the widespread use of insecticides would almost eliminate it. Major earthquakes would hit in some places. The damage would be enormous, with thousands of deaths and injuries. By the year 2055, you would find that robots have taken over many jobs. They'd be running the hospitals, transportation, and security. Humans would become jobless. On the bright side, based on current research, you could see an increased income in many parts of the world. People would start using wind and solar energy to create electricity year 2065. Despite all efforts, global warming would continue to grow rapidly. Year 2075 global temperatures would have increased by over 3 degrees Celsius. Due to this, all the ice would melt, and you would see your home devastated by rising sea levels and intense storms. Year 2080 you would see humans get faster because of optimized workouts, innovative technological implants, and muscle-enhancing devices. At this point, people could become bionic. Nanotechnologies will be introduced that monitor health or do fun things like make your skin glow with different patterns or colors. Year 2090 humans would not be eating meat. Instead, you'd be eating fully lab-grown or plant-based meat. The intake of non-veg would become zero year 2110. At the dawn of the next century, you could witness technology that would allow us to control disasters like earthquakes and tsunamis. We'd have an incredible knowledge of what's going on below the surface and could accurately predict where and when these events would occur. Year 2124. Finally, at the end of our journey through the future in the year 2124, you could be able to upload your mind to a computer achieving immortality. Well, the time travel is over. So let's get back to the present and see the coming challenges on your respective screen.